Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I'm going to be making a sunscreen stick, quite an asked video all the time by many of my subscribers. The sunscreen stick is going to have an SPF of 50 and it is very lightweight on the skin. So we will quickly start with the making of the sunscreen. Basic sunscreen formulation, I will be sharing it in the description box for those who would like to give a try to a basic mineral sunscreen. For these advanced formulations, you can contact me for my workshops on the WhatsApp number that's given. So here I have my oil phase ingredients. I have taken my blend of oils, waxes, thickeners, plus I have taken my UV filters. I have used a little bit of octocerylin, octyl methoxycinnamide, avobenzone. These are a few of my UV filters which I have used. And here I have my water phase, in which I have my water and glycerin. In this, since it's a tinted sunscreen, I have already added my titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, along with a blend of other pigments to give a very nice tint for the skin. So I'll quickly go ahead and heat my oil and water phase ingredients. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases, my oil and my water phase. And now I'll go ahead and add my water phase into the oil phase. We have a very little water phase here. And I will go ahead and give it a blend. Okay, so now when the mixture is hot itself, I will go ahead and add my my tint pigments and my UV filters, mineral filters here. And now we have to just give this a very good mix so that all the ingredients get well combined with the mixture. Okay, so now I've gone ahead and mixed everything together, all the pigments, everything, and this is how our solution looks right now. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my mold because this is a stick sunscreen. So I will go ahead and pour it here. And we will wait for this to completely set. Once it sets, I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so now we have kept this to set for around 4-5 hours, and now we'll check on it. So here, if you can see, our sunscreen stick is very nicely set, and even on application you have a very smooth finish to this. Very smooth finish. Okay, so you can nicely go ahead and spread this all over the skin, and you get a very nice even skin tone because of the tint that you have on this sunscreen, and it gives you very good protection from the UV rays. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to come up with more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.